Hello students and viewers, welcome back to class. This is Shahnaz Parveen here with your online class. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your class at home. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, as a part of our revision, we have completed the boys. Now we are going to learn how to convert the sentences. So, at the very beginning of our class, we should know what is sentence. A sentence is a group words which makes a complete meaning. Look at the example. The sun gives us light. A sentence has mainly two parts. They are subject and predicate. Now let us know what is subject. The person or thing about which something is said in the sentence is called subject. Look at the example. The boy is writing a letter. Here, the boy is subject. If we ask a question, who is writing a letter? The answer will be the boy. So, the boy is subject here. Predicate. What is said about the subject in a sentence is called predicate. It can be just be a single word or a number of words. Look at the example. The boy is writing a letter. If we ask a question, what is the boy doing? Our answer will be is writing a letter. So here it is predicate. Look at the another example. I go. Here go is predicate. According to meaning, there are 5 kinds of sentence in English grammar. They are assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. Now let us know what is assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called an assertive sentence. Look at the example. He is a good student. There are 3 kinds of assertive sentence. They are affirmative, negative, emphatic. Now let us know about them. Affirmative. The sentence that gives a positive sense or meaning is called affirmative sentence. Look at the example. I play football. Negative. The sentence that gives a negative sense or meaning is called negative sentence. Example. I don't play football. Now let us know what is emphatic. The sentence that gives a forceful and definite expression is called emphatic sentence. Look at the example. I do like him. Now we will learn what is interrogative sentence. A sentence which generally asks a question or wants to know some information about the subject is called an interrogative sentence. Look at the example. Does he go to school every day? There are 2 kinds of interrogative sentence. They are yes no question, WH question. Now let us know what is yes no question. When an interrogative sentence starts with helping verb like do, does, did, am, is, are, etc. is called yes no question. Look at the example. Do you have a car? Now let us know what is WH question. When an interrogative sentence starts with WH words like who, what, why, when, which, where, whose, how is called WH questions. Look at the example. Where does he live? A sentence which expresses order, advice, request, command or proposal is called an imperative sentence. Look at the examples. Do the work at once. It expresses an order. Always speak the truth. It expresses an advice. Please go there. It expresses a request. March on and attack the enemy. It expresses a command. Let us have a walk. It expresses a proposal. Now we will learn what is optative sentence. A sentence which expresses the speaker's wish, prayer or blessing is called an optative sentence. Look at the example. May Allah bless you. Now we will learn the exclamatory sentence. A sentence which expresses the speaker's sudden emotion, surprise, pleasure, sorrow, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. Look at the example. How exciting the match is. Dear students, we have already learned about the sentences. Now we will learn how to change the sentences from affirmative to negative. Rule 1. If the sentence starts with only or alone and it indicates a person, then our structure will be like that. None but plus given affirmative sentence. Look at the example. Only Allah can help us. Our negative is none but Allah can help us. If it indicates a thing, then our structure will be the part of the given sentence before only plus nothing but plus the rest of the sentence. Look at the example. I gave him only a book. Our negative is I gave him nothing but a book. If it indicates a number, then our structure will be subject plus verb plus not plus more than or less than plus rest of the sentence. Look at the example. He is only 6 years old. Our negative is he is not more than 6 years old. Look at the another example. I need 100 taka only. Our negative is I don't need less than 100 taka. Rule 2. If the affirmative sentence have, must, has to, have to, bound, we can change it into negative by using cannot but or cannot help. Look at the structure. 1. Subject plus cannot but plus the part of sentence after must. Look at the structure 2. Subject cannot help plus verb with ing plus the rest part of sentence. Look at this example. We must do it. Our negative is we can't but do it or we can't help doing it. Rule 3. If the subject, object or verb of a affirmative sentence connects with the conjunction both and or and, we can use not only in place of both and but also in place of and. Look at the example. He is honest and sincere. Our negative is he is not only honest but also sincere. Look at the another example. Both Rafi and Siam can do it. Our negative is not only Rafi but also Siam can do it. Rule 4. If a affirmative sentence starts with every, then our structure will be there is no plus the word after every plus but plus the rest part of sentence. Look at the example. Every mother loves her child. Our negative is there is no mother but loves her child. Or we can change it in another way. Our structure is no plus the word after every plus opposite verb plus the rest part of sentence. Look at the example. No mother hates her child. Rule 5. If there is TOO2 TO2 in affirmative sentence, then we can change it into negative in the following way. Look at the structure. Subject plus verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus cannot or could not according to tense plus the rest part of sentence. Now look at the example. He is too lazy to do well in the exam. Our negative is he is so lazy that he cannot do well in the exam. Rule 6. If the affirmative sentence starts with as soon as, then our structure will be no sooner had plus subject plus be3 plus than plus second sentence. Look at the example. As soon as he arrived, we welcomed him. Our negative is no sooner had he arrived than we welcomed him. Rule 7. If there is as as in affirmative sentence, then we can turn it into negative in the following way. Look at the structure. Subject plus to be verb plus not less plus adjective plus than plus subject. Look at the example. Rohim is as good as Kamal. Our negative is Rohim is not less good than Kamal. Look at the another example. Anwar writes as fast as Belal. Our negative is Anwar writes no less fast than Belal. Rule 8. If the affirmative sentence starts with all, then we can change it into negative by following the structure. No plus subject plus to be verb plus opposite word. Look at the example. All men are mortal. Our negative is no man is immortal. Look at the another example. All men here are poor. Our negative is no men here are rich. Rule 9. If the affirmative sentence expresses universal truth, habitual fact, scientific fact, then we should turn it negative interrogative. Look at the example. Health is wealth. Our negative is not health wealth? Look at the another example. The earth moves around the sun. Our negative is does not the earth move round the sun? As there is no auxiliary verb here, so we bring do verb at the beginning of the sentence. Rule 10. If the affirmative sentence have many, a few, a little, much, we can change it in the following way. Look at the examples. Number 1. There are many boys in the field. Our negative is there are not a few boys in the field. We use not a few in place of many. Number 2. I have a few friends. Look at the negative. I have not many friends. Here we use not many in place of few. Number 3. There is a little water in the jar. Look at the negative. There is not much water in the jar. Here we use not much in place of a little. Number 4. He has much money. Look at the negative. He has not a little money. Here we use not a little in place of much. Rule 11. If the affirmative sentence have sometimes, then we can change it into negative by using always in place of sometimes and adding not before always. Look at the example. A day laborer is sometimes happy. Our negative is a day laborer is not always happy. Rule 12. If the affirmative sentence have always, we can change it by using never in place of always and adding a opposite word. Look at the example. Jasmine is always punctual. Our negative is Jasmine is never late. Here we use never in place of always and the opposite word late. Rule 13. An affirmative sentence can also turn into negative by using opposite word and adding not before the affirmative word. Look at the example. This was an extraordinary ship. Our negative is this was not an ordinary ship. Rule 14. We can change a superlative degree into negative by following the structure. Our structure is no other plus the part after superlative degree plus verb plus s plus positive form of adjective plus s plus subject. Look at the example. Nafis is the best boy in the class. Our negative is no other boy in the class is as good as Nafis. Rule 15. We can change a comparative degree into negative by following the structure. Our structure is subject to plus verb plus not plus s plus positive form of adjective plus s plus subject 1. Look at the example. Rana is taller than Bina. Our negative is Bina is not as tall as Rana. Rule 16. We can change a positive degree into negative by following the structure. Our structure is subject to plus verb plus not plus comparative form of adjective plus than plus subject 1. Look at the example. Babur was as strong as a lion. Our negative is a lion was not stronger than Babur. Dear students, now I am going to give you some sentences as your homework. Write it down. Number 1. I drank much milk. Number 2. Only money can solve his problem. Number 3. We must love our country. Number 4. Every rose has a thorn. Number 5. All men must die. Number 6. I am always against smoking. Number 7. He went there quickly. Number 8. Ice is as white as snow. Number 9. I was doubtful if he would come. Number 10. You should always speak the truth. Dear students, that's all for today. Now I hope you have a clear idea how to convert any affirmative into negative, and you will be able to convert any affirmative into negative. I will be back with the rest part of the class. Take care till then. Stay at home and remain safe. Keep practicing. Bye.